interesting tune for this segment, because why? Okay, well, listen, guys, Sherrika Reid left her 9 to 5 to pursue her passion in a field dominated by men. She's a carpenter. She's the owner of a furniture business called SML Essentials. Morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Where is the mirror for our oversized mirror? I can't look in this. There's nothing in there.
Well, it's just a display to show you that we sell an oversized mirror where you can see your full body from head to toe.
What a great story you have, lady.
Yes.
You left a 9 to 5.
I left my 9 to 5 almost 7 years now.
Has it been that long?
Yes.
How has business been in carpentry?
It is amazing, you know. In every business, it has its ups and downs. But guess what? Once you're motivated and you know exactly what you want, it's worth it.
Was it Daddy who taught you?
Yes,
Daddy
my father.
has 40 solid years in the business.
40 years, over 40 years.
Over 40. So you grew up kind of watching him, and is that how you learned?
Yes, so the shop is just right there at the front, so it's just in there, it's in my face, and I get to get a feel of to love it. And then after that I just help out in the shop. And then when I was actually working at the airport.
Mm-hmm.
So when I was working at the airport, I felt lost. I felt like this wasn't my purpose. So I decided, I have to leave that job. And then not only that, I have a daughter and she has special needs. Mm-hmm. So I wasn't able to get the freedom to spend a lot of time with her and to move up and down as freely as I want to take her to therapy. So I decided that I'm going to go fully into carpentry with my dad.
Were you scared?
I was. The first 6 months was rough. The first 6 months I was like, oh my God, what did I do? So the first 6 months it was rough, but I was very determined. And I said, listen, this is it for me. I already have a love for it, so I'm just gonna push through.
Now, we want you all to understand, right? When we say Sherica, this is her work, we mean that she take up the tools.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
The hammer, the nails.
Everything.
The ply.
Yes.
The glue, the paint.
The paint.
And you put it all together.
All together. From buying the board, treating the board, leaving it to dry for a couple of days, planing the board, jointing them up, everything, cutting every single thing from scratch.
Tell me about learning the machines, because you say that was probably the most daunting part for you.
It was difficult at first, especially when I'm using the sanding machine and the table saw. I was afraid of it. I was like, okay, when I was holding on to the saw, I was like, okay, this is going to carry me away. But I mean, after a couple practices and my father's there to teach me, it just come natural after a while.
Wow. So is there anything you cannot make? You've done it all?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, we make bedroom set, kitchen cupboard, bathroom cabinet, vanity, every single thing.
Wow.
Every single thing.
What is your favorite piece to create? And oh my gosh, girl, me need to forget you. See, Ferran, you just lose to Ferran.
That is actually our best
Do you
seller.
deliver orders within like a reasonable amount of time, or do you tire people out like Ferran?
Oh no, our turnaround time is very short. Our turnaround time is 2 weeks or less depending on the item. 3 weeks depending.
Really?
If it's a bedroom set, it will probably take around 6 weeks. So our customers never have to worry when ordering from us.
What about kitchen cupboards? If you're doing a whole kitchen,
it all depends on the size.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Gotcha.
It all depends on the size. But our customers never have to worry, because once we start your unit, you'll be updated with each and every process until the item is completed.
Mm-hmm. Ferran lose the work.
Ferran lose the work.
Oh, Sherica. So do I come to you with an idea and you create it? Can I do that?
Yes, we do take custom orders. You just come to us with your design and the measurements, and then we take it from there. Mm-hmm. And if you don't familiar with measurements, you can always contact us and we'll come to your house and do all that.
Mm-hmm. This is a Girl Power Tuesday. You are a woman in a male-dominated industry.
Yes.
When people hear that you're a carpenter, do they?
Yes, at first they were like, she don't know what she's doing. So at first it was a bit rough, but I mean, I feel like over the years I've proven myself, and I have a great team behind me. I have a very supportive spouse. So with all of them behind me, backing me, the sky's the limit.
Oh man, so what does the sky look like? Where are you going with the business? What are your dreams?
Well, my dream is to create a household brand, not necessarily make furniture. I want every household to know SML essentials. I want to create more job opportunities. I want to create generational wealth. I want to be on the road and everybody be like, that's the furniture girl, that's the SML essentials girl. Yes, that's my goal right
Sounds
there.
like you need to start a line called Furniture Girl. You just said it out of your mouth. I love that.
Yes, because when I'm on the road, people will be like, are you the furniture girl?
See there? Right there. Done and dusted.
Right
Done and
there.
dusted. There are a lot of young ladies who have a passion too that's unconventional. I asked Lacey before, what would you say to I mean, these days young people can be anything.
Anything at all that they want. You just have to do something that you like. You see, once you love it, it just become natural. Don't watch it, say, all right, then you want to make quick money. Because when the money is not making, because we do have downtime, so when the money is not making, you probably feel frustrated and want to give up. But you see, once you have a love for the item or love for whatever that you're doing, you would just say, okay, we're having a downtime, we're going to bounce right back again because you love it.
Well, some people tell you that the love and the passion is good, but if it's not feeding you, you can't do it.
I mean, guess what? For me, I look at it different. I look at it to say, this is my passion, this is my love, this is my income, this is my bread and butter, my sweat and blood. I put my all into this. So guess what? If the money is not coming in same time, get creative. For me, I always think outside the box. So I always look for design that you can't find in a regular store. Like our floating unit.
Love this.
You cannot find this in a regular store.
So this goes on the wall?
So this goes on the wall under your TV.
And then storage in there too?
Yes, these are drawers. So I always tend to choose items that you can't get anywhere, I think, outside of the box. And customers gravitate to it because an oversized mirror like this, you're not going to see it everywhere in a store.
For
Our
sure.
custom space saver right there behind you, you're not going to see that anywhere in a store. So just think outside of the box.
No regrets?
No regrets.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Forward and Payacle, Manacle and Go Circle.
No
Where do we
regrets.
find SML? Where do we find the Furniture Girl? Where are you in socials? The business is in where?
Okay, so my business in Harborview. My Instagram handle is SML_essentials. Our telephone number is 878-358-8591.
Okay.
So you can call us.
Yeah. SML_essentials. The Furniture Girl, aka Ferran Lose the work.
Ferran lose him job.
Lose the work.
Him job.
Sherrika, what a joy to have met you this morning. Thank you for coming in. Very inspirational.
I appreciate
a
it.
story of passion and purpose and following your dream. Even with the knockdowns, the get up is even more rewarding. All right. Appreciate it. See, it wasn't so bad.
No, it wasn't.
What were you stressing about?
I don't know.
Okay. If you can step out on your own and create a business, you can take care of a 7-minute interview. Good job. Sherrika Reid, carpenter and owner of SML Essentials. And we have more on Smile after this break. Soon come.